Have you been in the gym and you're trying to decide whether you should do cardio first or strength training? You can do both. And how you can do both is doing my triple kick combo exercise. So this is really good for building up the glutes, getting the glutes more rounder and fuller, and you get the benefits of working your quads and your hamstrings, and you're also working your upper body and your core to get that curvier waistline from just doing one move. You wanna watch this video and follow along. To get started, you're gonna get on all fours. If you don't have any ankle bands, you can just use your body. So we're gonna first do the leg extension. So this is really good for working the quads, and this also works your core, and you're gonna also work your shoulders and triceps. You're gonna extend it out as much as possible. You're gonna get a really, really good burn in your quads, and you're gonna feel it everywhere. This is one of my favorite moves. So we're using the level 2 ankle band. So that was the first set that I went and did of 10 with the leg extension. Now I'm doing a donkey kick. Gonna make sure that you tuck your knee in when you come in to engage and target your stomach. And when you kick up, you're gonna go up till your knees about almost parallel. So this is working the glute maximus. So this is also really good for helping you get that curvier waistline. And the last one we're gonna do is the leg lift. So the triple kick combination is one of my secrets. So this transforms the whole body because you're putting all this blood flow on one side, and it's building up the glutes, it's toning the core, and it's working your shoulders. So this is working your whole body. So you can just do this and get right out of the gym, or just leave your home. This is one of my most effective workouts that I've been doing for women for years. One of my signature moves. Now we're doing the other side. So leg extension. So you're gonna really, really feel it in that quad, and you're gonna feel it in your core. And you're gonna also feel it on the other side of the glutes. So yeah, so the level 2 one is very, very good. Oh man, I feel that. Yeah, that's a workout. So yeah, if you look for something where you can just hit all your muscles and you're running limited on time, this is the move for you. So yeah, so once again, you see that I'm tucking my knee in because I want to get all of that glute engagement by engaging my glutes the most when I go all the way up, and I want to tone my stomach. So if you don't have a mat, you can just use a pillow to protect your knees. Yeah. And this is just the first set with the ankle band. So I'm doing reps of 10. So I'm doing 10, 10, 10 with each kick. Then I'm going to the other side. Had to pause for a second. I was feeling it, man. I'm feeling that. So now we're gonna put on the level 3 ankle band. So this is my favorite ankle band out of all of them. I like this one the most because it's the perfect blend of being tougher, but it's still giving me enough leeway and enough mobility. So now there we go, the leg extension, bam. So extend that leg out. You're gonna feel those muscles pop. Yeah, so that's the donkey kick. So that works the glutes really, really good. Push that knee up and make sure that you tuck that knee in. Okay, now we're doing the leg lift. And to add more tension and more time on the tension, don't touch the floor with the leg lift. And that'll really, really work the glute maximus. Now we're doing the other side. I can't have y'all walking around with a lopsided butt. So you gotta make sure that you go and do the other side. You can order your bands at Solomon Fitness World, or you could just click the link right there that I have on the screen. And you can support the channel, like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, let me know if you tried this workout. You can tell me in the comments. So that's that leg extension. Yeah, I'm getting a little tired, but I was hanging in there. It's just that doing those 30 on one side really, really works the body. So my quad had it, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep going. It's a donkey kick. Yeah, because I came up with this combo about let me see, maybe about 8 years ago. So I've been using this combo to train women for a long time, and yeah, this combo transforms so many bodies, build up so many glutes, tone so many women's bodies. This combo definitely saved a lot of relationships, all that stuff. Yeah, it's just I made it like this for a reason. Now we're moving into using the level 4 ankle band. So this is my strongest ankle band. So this you're gonna really, really feel it more in your quads and your hamstrings and the glutes and your core. So man, so this one ain't no punk. So this is level 4. So this is not for the weak. Okay, so that's the black ankle band. See that, y'all? So my ab muscles are flexing more because it has way, way more resistance. I feel it. I'm hanging in there. Ooh, man, I was going through hell in those 3 sets, but it's worth it. But it's worth it. Yeah, one of the reasons why I like using and training women with ankle bands and bands period is because it works the core, and it's also low impact on the joints, on the knees, the elbows, and you can use them anywhere. And a lot of times women think that weights make them bulky, so this is the perfect solution. I still like to train women with bands and weights, but the bands are really good for working your core. So now we're doing the other side. Yeah, yeah, that black one ain't no pump. All right, let me finish off. Yeah, my quad was on fire, man. So yeah, yeah, cause yeah, but it does help by having all the 3 different levels, cause each band is made to work a different muscle fiber. And then that's going to also work your core differently by having each stronger band. So the average American, 80% of Americans live a sedentary lifestyle and they're not active. And the average American woman is 170 pounds. And the average black American woman is 187 pounds. So you need to prioritize your fitness. So this is how I train most of my clients, mainly is with the bands. So if you're interested in getting help, it comes down to getting a proper workout plan and a proper nutrition plan with the highest level of accountability possible. You can go and fill out my application in the description, and I'll reach out to you to see if I can help. Yeah, y'all. So that was rough. Let me know if you all have tried this workout. Order my bands to support my channel. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and let me know if you all have gave it a try by doing this triple kick combo when it comes down to working your legs and getting the most out of it, just like that. So just let me know, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the next video.